Are you at risk for addiction? My name is Dr. Tristan Winston, Director of Behavioral Health at Health Partnership Clinic. I'm a licensed psychologist and licensed clinical addiction counselor, here to talk about substance use and the disease of addiction, especially during the time of a pandemic. The most important warning signs to be aware of is an increase in frequency and quantity of use. For alcohol, healthy limits of alcohol use for adult men are no more than 4 drinks per day or 14 per week, and for adult females, no more than 3 drinks per day or 7 per week. More than 5 alcoholic beverages consumed at any one time in one sitting is considered binge drinking. Being aware of these healthy limits can be helpful to understand if you're at risk for addiction, to notice if you've been increasing your amount or frequency of use. An increase in substance use, especially alcohol, can lead to a lot of problems. You can have relationship issues, work issues, neglect social obligations, increase in isolation, avoidance, neglecting responsibilities, and obviously health problems can be one of the big things with overuse. Since the start of the pandemic, there is an increase in risk for addiction and at risk for those already struggling with addiction. We have seen a 61% increase in treatment services for substance use and depression since the pandemic began. Increased stress and anxiety over the pandemic can lead to an increase in use of substances. During the pandemic since March, there has been a 54% increase in alcohol sales, and compared to last year in 2019, there has been a 262% increase in online alcohol sales. This demonstrates that there has been an increase in alcohol use during the pandemic. This is for a number of reasons. Stress and anxiety related to the pandemic obviously makes sense, but other things like loss of social support, isolation, boredom, unemployment, financial problems, there's been a lot of increase in stress during the time of pandemic that has led to the increase in substance use. Many of the barriers that would prevent use or reduce use have also been removed. Working from home and staying home has reduced the need and the concern for drinking and driving, which has resulted in an increase in use and frequency. Also, more flexible schedules with working from home have reduced and eliminated a very consistent routine, which can be a reason to avoid using substances as a coping skill. Stress and an increased risk of addiction during the pandemic for you or a loved one can be a concern. If you need help and resources and support, please call Health Partnership Clinic. We're here to help. We offer a substance use program for adolescents ages 12 to 17 and for adults 18 and up. That program includes individual therapy as well as group therapy. And during the pandemic, we're offering telehealth services to reduce any barriers that would prevent access to care. We also offer an addiction medicine program that provides medication-assisted treatment for both alcohol use disorder and opioid use disorder that can provide medications to assist in recovery. If you or a loved one are concerned and struggling with addiction, please reach out and find information on our website or call our office at 913-730-3664.